What's up, all y'all trees out there? And today, I just realized I do this every time I say what's up, all y'all trees out there. And
I'm here, and we're doing like a cubing session, I guess.
well, I know how to cube now.
Yep, because I taught him, and I gave him a free Gans AirUM.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we're not sponsored by Gan or anything, like Felix.
I think that's showing.
He doesn't know who Felix is. He's just a baby cuber.
He's Fix It. He fixes everything.
Fix it, Felix. Felix Zizemdegs.
What?
Felix Zizemdegs.
All I heard was zim 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 zim.
For now, I'm gonna call Felix Zemdegs Felix Zizemdegs because he's zero, you know.
I have no idea what he's saying.
Yeah, he doesn't. But I'm just using this bag as a mat.
And I'm just using this 1970 phone as a timer. See? Oh. Let's see what app do we use? Whoa, voice crack. We use Q timer.
Yeah.
If you guys can see that.
The timer solves. I actually use a stack mat timer.
It's actually taken me a long time just to solve this back to its original spot.
I forgot it. Our turn.
You know, I'm just gonna do this.
I have to move over here. Sorry, guys. You kind of fell because I was trying to move this ball over here. Okay.
It's not moving.
Okay. Wait.
Oh yeah, I'll move. You got me in frame?
Do I have me in frame?
Oh yeah, we do.
Okay. So we have ourselves in frame now. So I'm gonna do. Okay. So I have this scramble. I'm not doing hand scrambles. Jordan takes too long to scramble, so he just says.
That's offensive.
Yeah, you know it's true.
Yeah, it is true. Still have
Oh god. I use CFOP to solve. Jordan still uses beginner's method. Because he's a baby cuber. You're still a baby. You're taking baby steps. Just on my last pair, that was really bad F2L.
And by the way, no.
I have a U-perm. 32 seconds.
I just started my timer too. Right when you saw that I started.
You're still inspecting?
Yeah, duh.
RB.
I need to
D prime.
inspect.
RF D prime.
I'm a health inspector. Please don't kill me. I'm not a zombie. You get it? Because SpongeBob probably killed the health inspector almost.
But no, they didn't.
They almost did.
Yep. They passed though.
I know. How did they pass even though they tried to kill him?
Exactly.
With a Krabby Patty. Like, I would go, oh, you failed. Get your driver's license back.
Driver's license?
I just realized that too.
Anti-shoom. T-perm. 29 seconds. I keep getting really good PLO cases. I just got a T-perm.
Oh.
Before I got a U-perm.
Sounds like a hairstyle.
Jordan doesn't know what PLO is.
No, I do not. New record! Let's freaking go!
That's okay. It doesn't take long to set up.
Guys, I got this third time. I got my new record.
12 seconds. For beginner's method, that's really good. For using beginner's method. If you don't know, it's kind of impossible to get sub 1 with beginner's method. It's kind of hard.
Not impossible.
It's not impossible, but it's hard.
It's hard. Trust me.
I might make a tutorial on how to solve one. I taught Jordanzio.
Is this one on my channel, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So I said, what's up, all your trees up there? Even though I go like that every time, I go, what's up, all your trees up there?
And today,
I'm kind of copying Just Dustin because he goes, so what's up, everybody? And Just Dustin, I'm back with another video.
I keep getting really slow F2L time.
But you're still getting really good times.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Because I got an A perm.
Okay, stop talking about hair. Oh. Okay. Oh, start.
I'm just gonna do a real quick walkthrough SOLV. So, first of all, I'm gonna look around it for white edges. I'm not color neutral. So I would see all of these, and then I would solve my cross. I'm not walking through to solve the cross. So, and then I go into my first pairs, my first fruits. So, I would see this right here, and I could just do an R to match those up, and then I would insert it. And then I see these already matched up. I would insert that. I would see this. I could just bring it out and do sexy move 4 times, and then insert that. Let's see, and then they do. Don't worry. If you're a cuber, you should know what sexy move is.
I don't.
R U I prime U prime.
Yeah, I do that.
And then I could just match these up, insert that, and then that came out for some reason. Insert that back in. And then I would look at the case I have. So I have assume. So I would do the algorithm. I do 2-look OL. And then I do 2-look PLL if you don't know what that is. Just go look it up. And now I have an U perm I meant. So I do the U perm. So I do M2U, MU2, M prime. Wait. Yeah, M2U, MU2, M prime, UM2. And then it would be solved. I'm ready to go. Oh, oh, oh,
oh, oh.
We're gonna get copyrighted now because YouTube copyrights everything.
They do copyright everything. Okay, so you know my last day of school video?
Yeah.
And I actually said I met SpongeBob video. Oh my gosh, I'm crying now.
Why?
Because I fake cried. Whenever I fake cry, I always start crying.
Okay, so go on with your story.
Okay, and I said it was the I met SpongeBob video.
Yeah.
And what is it called? And so I did this "School's Out for the Summer" song in the background, and I got no copyright for it. And then I just did the trampoline video about like trampoline padding, and I did the exact same song, and I got copyright.
Yeah, that's really weird.
It's like, get some help, YouTube.
That was terrible.
36 seconds. What are you talking about?
It's good, but
It's
I guess.
Good.
My best right now.
It's good.
My best right now is 14 seconds. It's kind of dumb scramble. I had 3 cross edges, but that's okay.
I'll bring my money, you know what I mean.
Got a whole lot of money from the money I got.
Got a whole lot of money with the money I got. This is not gonna be good.
Oh God! All right. Oh. Okay.
Because I got a whole lot of money with the money I got.
Oh God. Terrible, bad.
Guys, leave a like if Billy's good at Rubik's Cubes.
This is gonna be a bad one. Really bad solve. Really bad solve. Really bad solve. Really bad solve. I just got 45 seconds. That's terrible.
That is actually really bad for you.
I messed up on algorithm. So, yeah. Okay.
Crap, I messed up. Okay. But like, no, I didn't. I messed up, but like, I just like skipped.
I have anti-soup. Boom, boom.
You have anti-Sue?
Soon.
That was a terrible
39.
time.
That was a terrible time.
I got 147.
And then you'll be F prime R2D2. R2D2. R2D2.
Hey, wait. I'm gonna try to get sub 1 minute with the first layer.
I wonder what happens if you do the algorithm URGUMB. URGUMB. Jordan, seriously? Do you know what that spells? Where are you going?
Goodbye.
Where are you going? How dare you leave me? Oh, he's gone forever. Don't worry though. Hello, Jordan. Bye.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to get sub 1 minute with the first layer.
That was really bad. I didn't even solve it because I was looking at you half the time.
Your pop socket's awesome.
Pop socket. What? Oh.
Okay, first layer. Now I need to try to get sub 1 minute. Sub 1 minute, here I come.
Oh, God.
Oh!
Okay, I'm just going to finish this solve and then I'll put it back up. Sorry, guys. You might
Well, they need to see me get sub 1 minute.
But Jordan, I'm not PLL. Can I just do a PLL over there?
You like P and L? You like P and L's?
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'm almost done with PLL. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, so if you weren't there, I got sub 1 minute. And I have to leave, so I'm just going to do this one last solve.
Can't wait to call the cup so he can.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 10 seconds.
Okay. This might be a really bad solve, but that's alright. It will be okay. That was an okay solve. 36 seconds. Okay. So if you like this video, go subscribe.
So it's my outro. So if you like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. No. So this is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Share with your friends if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. It ain't my fault.
It ain't my fault.